Welcome to the NYU Office of Residential Life and Housing Services YouTube channel. My name is Arianna. I'm a current student and an RA in the Office of Residential Life.
This YouTube channel is a place where you can learn more about residence halls, student life, summer housing, and so much more.
Living in a big city like New York, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed or alone. So the Office of Residential Life is here to help you make this beautiful city feel more like home.
Every floor has an RA, which is a junior or senior student that is a phenomenal resource for you. They will likely be one of the first people you meet on your floor, and their job is to plan programs to help you meet your other floor mates. They are also there to help connect you with NYU resources inside and outside of the building. Every building has a faculty fellow who lives in the residence hall. These faculty plan events in the city and in the building. This is a great chance to get to know other students and start to find your communities. In each residence hall, you can get packages, feminine hygiene products, toilet paper, and trash bags for free at the Resource Center. And it's also a great place to find out what programs are happening in your building. Make sure to subscribe and check out all of our upcoming videos to keep you updated on all things NYU Reslife.